Scottsdale Tower, November 528 Alpha Papa, visual 21 Oscar.
Caution 528 Alpha Papa, Scottsdale Tower, roger, runway 21, clear to land.
21 clear to land, 58 Alpha Papa.
Scottsdale Tower, Gamjet 863, holding credit 21, ready to clear land.
Gamjet 863, Scottsdale Tower, roger, waiting out for our release. Caution made Alpha Papa, you can turn left on, Bravo 5, tax signature via Bravo and monitor ground. Y'all have a good one.
Bravo 5, that's turn Bravo. That's right, Alpha Papa.
Just 206 Oscar, following Alpha Jet on 2 mile final, runway 21, clear to land.
Clear to land on 21, follow the other jet, just 3206.
Captain Lima Charlie, you may descend at your discretion. Just let me know when you want to.
Right, I am sure that you.
Just 206, say parking. Just 206, taxi, thanks for your Bravo monitor gun.
Truck 81 Lima Alpha, affirmative, right traffic.
Right traffic, 81 Lima Alpha.
November 441 Bravo Foxtrot, right turn with sign approved, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Scottsdale Tower, good afternoon. Citation 560, Victor X-ray on a visual runway 21.
Citation 560, Victor X-ray, Scottsdale Tower, enter right base, runway 21. You're following a citation in the left downwind.
Alright, right base runway 21, so Victor.
And citation 0, Victor X-ray, photo final approach speed, your number 3.
So Victor X-ray.
November 1 Bravo Foxtrot, traffic at your 2 o'clock, 3 miles is a Skyhawk northbound. Cactus 1395, Scottsdale Tower, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Scottsdale Tower, Plata 711, Sierra Romeo, checking in with you at 5,700 with November for landing.
Plata 711, Sierra Romeo, Scottsdale Tower, photo final approach speed, traffic you're following is citation 4 mile final, enter right base, runway 21.
Right base 21, and we'll extend the base and go to approach speed. Thanks, once from you.
Cactus 1395 on the right turn, contact me in departure, stay late.
Over to departure at 1395, good day.
Custom 527, Custom Tower, roger, left traffic, runway 21, clear to land, number 1.
Clear to land 2 loading, Cessna 527.
Scottsdale Tower, Columbia 401, Charlie Mike, visual approach, runway 21.
Columbia 401, Charlie Mike, Cessna Tower, and right base, runway 21, clear to land.
Clear to land for runway 21.
Cessna 527, verify on the signature.
Affirmative, Cessna 527.
Cessna 527, left turn, 1 able, taxi signature via Bravo, monitor ground point 6, good day.
Okay, we'll get this one, Bravo 7 and Bravo, and you said, monitor ground, you said?
Passenger 13 Alpha Zero, Scottsdale Tower, runway 21, clear to land, wind calm.
21, clear to land.
Scottsdale Tower, 04962, Golf 3 miles southeast of Pinnacle Beach. Information Oscar and down, Latitude and Tower off 180.
So 6 show crossings, continue straight in runway 21.
Straight in 21, 04962, Golf.
Astra 3 Alpha Zero, say parking. 3 Alpha Zero, right turn when you're right, taxi attack air, and monitor ground.
November 334, Juliet Echo, runway 21, clear for takeoff, turn right, heading 340.
Clear takeoff, runway 21, right turn heading 340, 4 Juliet Echo.
Aviator 42, please change approved, good day.
Please change approved, Aviator 42.
Morning, Scottsdale, Bonanza 6456 Charlie and 13 to the north landing with Mike.
Cessna 6456 Charlie, Scottsdale Tower, report the power plant, enter right mid, go downwind, runway 21.
Okay, right downwind for 21567.
November 4, Juliet Echo on the right turn, heading 340, contact Phoenix, departure, stay place.
Contact Phoenix departure, 4 Juliet Echo, good day.
Citation 558, Whiskey Golf, Scottsdale Tower, runway 21, clear for takeoff. And November 3, Mike Tango, and left crosswind is your discretion, runway 21, clear to land.
Okay, left crosswind, our discretion cleared to land, runway 21 for Challenger 3 Mike Tango.
Station 8 Whiskey Golf on your right turn, contacting Scotch, good day.
3 departure, good day, Whiskey Golf.
Texas 644, runway 21, clear to land, number 2 behind the Columbia, short final, additional traffic at your 1 o'clock, about 6 miles up the direction is the Sirius Air, I think it's 3,000 climbing.
Okay, cleared to land on 2-1 for 6-4.
And Sirius 6 Golf, that traffic is now at your 1 o'clock and about 5 miles. Stay able, report them in sight.
Roger, still looking, 6 Golf.
Texas 644, exit left, taxi signature via Bravo, monitor ground point 6, good day.
Okay, left, and operator 6.
Gulf Cruiser Bravo Delta Scottsdale, follow citation 2 mile final, runway 21 clear land, wind 250 at 4.
2-1 clear to land, number 220, Bravo Delta.
Tonight, Mike Swap 1522.
1522, Romeo Mike, my fault.
No worries. Gulf Cruiser Bravo Delta, taxi southwest jet lane right, and monitor ground.
Aviator 7, Cessna Tower, and midfield right down, runway 21.
Midfield right downwind 21, Aviator 7.
Cessna 802, runway 21, line up and wait, traffic next to runway is Seminole 6 west of the field. Mission 659, when able to parking.
59 going.
Mission 659, exit left, taxi signature via Bravo, monitor ground point 6, good day.
Alright, left, signature via Bravo.
Cessna 802, runway 21, clip takeoff.
Scottsdale Tower, Aviator 7's over Deer Valley on the practice RNAV 7 RNAV approach. We have November, we'd like 1 touch and go and then a full stop.
Aviator 7, Cessna Tower, and midfield right down, runway 21.
Midfield right downwind 21, Aviator 7.
Dassault Tower, Area 42 is 8 miles to the southeast with November requesting full stop.
Aviator 42, Cessna Tower, and midfield left down, runway 21.
Midfield left downwind 21, Area 42.
Cessna 802, traffic no factor, contact Phoenix departure, have a safe flight.
On to departure, good day, Delta 502.
Jet 101, runway 21, clear for takeoff, traffic turning left crosswind.
Clear for takeoff, runway 21, expect 101.
Zero Juliet Romeo, runway 21, clear to land, 1 departure prior to arrival.
2-1 clear to land, 0 Juliet Romeo.
6 Kilo Golf, begin that crosswind turn, please.
We're in the turn, 6 Kilo Golf.
Aviator 42, cautionary turbulence, runway 21, clear for takeoff. ExitJet 404 in your right turn, or correction, ExitJet 101 in your right turn, contact Phoenix departure.
Right turn going to departure, ExitJet 101, good day.